Whosoever had a good day, please raise your hands. Nice. BG section, everybody had a great day. Some in Archimedes also, some in Aryabhat. Euler one, did you not have a very happy day today? Oh yes, finally, I can see the hands risen now. All right, students. So today in this speaking English class, we will be covering two very essential parts of speech. Okay, two very important parts that form the structure of the sentence. Okay, so usually what do? I tell you stories. How about we take a little twist on that? And instead of me telling you the stories, how about you tell me the story today? Okay. So to help you, I will give you a picture. I will give you a few words. You can select any, recording is on. You can select any word of your choice. You can even put in your own words, whatever you want to, looking at the picture, whatever you feel about the picture. Okay. And then after some time, I will be asking you, what do you think is the topic for today? Okay. You have to tell me that, and then we will proceed further. So pay attention to the kind of words that you will be given today, to the word pool that you will be given today. All right. So let's start speaking in English and let me hear the story in your lovely voice. All right. To start with, I will give you a little precursor here, okay, so that we can initiate, we can start fabricating a story, right? Have you all read the story, The Shoeshine Boy, in your books? Have you all read that? Who has read Shoeshine story, Shoeshine book story? Okay, that's great. Okay, this is a little similar story, not exactly. This is a rags to riches story of a little boy. Okay, so to start with, there is a coastal town or a village in Gujarat. It's called Chorwad. Now, beyond that, you can see there is a boy, a girl, their brother, sister. There's a family. They're sitting, having food, dinner, and the father is working. He's actually a teacher. So, bache, these are the words and these are the pictures. One by one, please come forward. Again, no right, no wrong. Feel free to say whatever you want to say, whatever you actually see in the picture. I would really like to see how do you perceive the pictures. Okay? All right, let's start from Aryabhatta. Second last bench, central line. Second last bench. Aryabhatta, can you hear me? Central line, second last bench. Girl, please come forward. Use any word from this word pool and tell me what do you see in this picture. Bache, I don't want to call you again and again. Aryabhatta, can you hear me? Aryabhatta students, if you can hear me, please raise your hands. All right, everybody can hear me. What about the second last girl in central line? Can't you hear me, bache? I've been calling you. Please come forward. All right, anybody from Aryabhatta, please come forward. Bache, do not hesitate. This is your speaking class. If you are not speaking here, what are we doing here then? Okay. All right. What do you see in first or the second picture? You can choose any of the words from here.
Once upon a time, there was a boy who lived in one village in Gujarat. His family has a father who was teacher.
Yes, that's good. All right. All right, Bache, thank you. You can go back. Now from Archimedes, please come forward. Central line, third bench boy in yellow t-shirt. The more you will try to hide your faces, the more I will call you out. So it's better if you think and then hide your faces, okay? Let's just have fun. Let's just make sentences. We are just making sentences here. Words are given, picture is given. So why are you hesitating? All
Sir,
right. Hanji bache.
village in Gujarat named Chorwa.
Wait. We have done that. Now let's proceed further. What do you see in this picture? Choose any of the words in this picture or this picture, anything.
When there is a family in which there is a father, a mother, and a brother and a sister. Uh, the
Yes, bache, we have already done it. Okay, what do you see in this? The boy is standing here. What do you see otherwise? Other
boy is
than
standing in the center of a crowd. Uh,
yes, very good.
he is being praised by other people, and
Very
he is very happy.
wow, you are picking exactly what I wanted to hear. Very good, bache. Hanji, you can go back now. Now from Euler, first bench boy in yellow t-shirt. Please come forward. Yellow, bache, yellow. Is that yellow? Okay. Had you taken your shoes off? All right. What do you think? What does this picture tells us? Wait. Please adjust your mic properly and then tell me, Hanji, what are you saying?
That the child was studying properly. He was feeling proud on himself. And the one person gave him a pouch who was lost. He gave it to station master.
All right. Okay, bache. Thank you. I don't know why your voice was breaking a little bit, but I got the gist of it. So see, there's a family, there's a boy, his sister, and parents. Father is a teacher, and the mother is shown with some food here. She has made some food and she's serving it in steel plates. We can use any of the words from here, steel, mother. Now he's looking at the local market and then he's just thinking to himself. You can see him, kind of pondering on his own thoughts, right? So he's just thinking to himself about something, and you can see that he's very happy. All the villagers think that he's a very different boy. He's full of courage and determination. He's different from all the kids of the village. All right. Now he is feeling very proud that, yes, I am like that. He really thinks like that. And you can see here, he's very honest. He has a very clear mind. Okay. So this is a simple picture depiction we are doing here with the words given. Okay. Now please have a look at the words once again, because you all will be telling me what are these words. These are very essential words for the speech or the structure of an English sentence. Okay. Are they adjectives? Are they adverbs? Or are they something else? All right, from Archimedes side lane, blue t-shirt girl. Please come forward, bache. What do you think these words are? And hence, what's the topic for today?
Nouns.
Yes, absolutely, nouns. And what about the word himself? Yeah, you can go back. Please send the boy in red t-shirt who was sitting in front of you. Hanji, what is this word himself? There are two, parts of grammar we are talking about. So one is noun, second is
Pronouns.
yes, pronouns. So today we will be discussing about nouns and pronouns and the different types of nouns and pronouns. Okay? Because if you're clear about nouns and pronouns, your sentence will mostly be correct, because these two are the most essential components of a sentence. Okay? So now this one picture you have understood. I have told you a little bit about the story now, but now I won't be telling you. So, okay, BG, first boy in blue t-shirt, please come forward. I love when students take initiative themselves, raise their hands and come forward. I really, admire their guts. That's great. Hanji Bache, what do you see in the picture? You can select any word from here or you can use your own words.
The first picture, family of the boy is going to temple, 9 years old. That day, they festival, and they are going for prayers.
Good. Hanji Bache, you can go back. So here you can see that in the village, there is some like religious festival. So many people have gathered, so many villagers have gathered to pray at the temple. Okay, to offer their prayers to at the temple. And now what is the little boy doing? The young boy, he is making bhajia. He is making some snacks. Hanji Biji, first boy, you want to say something else also? Okay. So he is making some snacks in oil. Okay. Now, this picture, if somebody can tell me from Euclides. Euclides, is this the right? Hanji, first boy, yellow t-shirt. This is amazing when you guys come forward yourself.
The family is testing snacks.
Yes, this is some other family that is visiting the young boys' snack stall. Hanji. Then what is happening? Hanji Bache Euclides, please tell me what happens next.
And then he is counting the coins.
Yes, yes, he's counting. Right.
Ma'am, and he gets paid for this work.
Right. So, what is this little boy doing? He's serving his snacks, his hot, delicious snacks, and people are really loving it. You can see the family. The family is so happy eating those snacks, right? After that, when he counts his profit, he's so happy to see his profit. He is, I'm just trying to, use some of the words from this word pool. And this profit is actually boosting his confidence. And then he's thinking to himself, how about if I start on a journey to make some snacks? Or maybe if not snacks, how about if I start a business? Because he feels I know how business works. I'm hardworking. I'm a hardworking person, right? He's a courageous boy. You need courage to start with any business, right? Any work. All right. So from this page, from this picture, please tell me the story as well as, or okay, let's do one thing. All right. Now we know that we will be talking about noun and pronoun in this lecture. So what is a proper noun? What is noun first of all? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or a thing, of even an idea, right? Do you guys play that game? What is that person, place, animal thing? Do you play that game? Yes. So what do we usually do? We write the name of the person, place, animal, or thing. That what we are writing actually? We are writing the nouns, the different types of nouns. Okay. So what is a proper noun? Can anyone from Hanji BG, first boy in green t-shirt? Let's try to give everybody a chance. Okay.
A person or thing that a specific person have.
Absolutely. It is very specific, like Ganesh, Mumbai. Can you give me two more examples of proper noun, please?
Like the animal, as animals, we can say lion.
A proper noun. Did you just say tiger?
We can say that name of the
No, just give me one name. Well, India, unique, specific things, right? There is just one Taj Mahal. There is just one India. What is your name? What is your name, bache? I'm sorry, I didn't get it. Can you please speak again? All right, okay. Okay, you can go back. Thank you so much. Your answer was good. So, what your name is, you are also unique, right? So, you are a proper noun. There is nobody like you. It is just you in the whole world. Okay? So, proper noun is name of something very specific, unique. Okay? Now, who will tell me from Aryabhatta what is a common noun? Aryabhatta, first girl, yellow t-shirt, please. Hanji bache, what is a common noun? And please give me two examples, not these two examples, your own two examples.
Ma'am, ma'am, common name like ma'am things that are common like boy, girl.
Yeah, it's written over there, boy, city, girl. Give me any two more.
Ma'am, color.
Yes, that's good. Color, country, lakes, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You can go back now. From Archimedes, left side lane, girl who's I can see protruding hand out. Please come forward, bache, and tell me what is a collective noun. And please give two examples also.
Collective nouns are the words that are used for a group of something, like a crowd of people, school of fish,
Very
and
good. Very good. Such a good example. School of fish. So many people I know, they don't even know what is the collective noun for fish. That is great. Do we ever use word fishes? Is this the word, right? Fishes. Anyone from any section? Hanji, Archimedes. Uh, okay, let's give chance to that yellow boy, second last bench bache, who is almost coming out of his lane. Hanji. Do we ever use the word fishes? Is it right?
use it, but it is not correct.
Okay. Do you ever use word fishes? One is school of fishes. School of fish is there. Word fish is there. One fishes is there. Do you ever use it? Have you ever used it?
Ma'am, we should use the word fishes for another types of fishes.
Very good. Absolutely, absolutely. So once when there is one type of fish, then we say fish. Even if there are 10 fishes in the pond, or let's say in an aquarium, when there are different type of fishes, then we say there are fishes. Let's say there is goldfish, there is some other fish. Okay. So what is the next one? Okay. From Euclides, first boy in yellow t-shirt. After collective noun, what is abstract noun? And please give me two examples.
I'm the things that we can feel but not say it really. Yeah. And examples like happiness, sadness.
Absolutely. The feelings, the emotions that are not concrete in the sense they're not physically, we cannot touch them, right? Or even see like that it is there, a concrete thing. So the emotions, the feelings, those are all the abstract nouns. Okay? The state of being, sometimes happiness, sadness, courage, bravery, determination. Okay? After that is material noun. When we are doing this, revision kind of thing, please pay attention because we still have to cover, we still have to finish our story, right? So you have to tell me the types of nouns or pronouns from that word pool, and you all have to finish the story. I won't be telling you the story. Okay? Now, who is coming forward to tell me about the material noun? Archimedes, first girl, blue t-shirt, please come forward. What is a material noun, bache? And please give me two examples.
Ma'am, material noun is a word that is used for substances that are used to make another things. For example, milk, we can make cake out of milk.
Very good. Nice. Now, you can go back, bache. Now, she has given example of milk. Milk is material as well as milk is uncountable noun also. You know, sometimes depending on the type of context, in which context we are using the word, the types can either, you know, swap, overlap sometimes, right? Sometimes we can say milk is now what? A material noun as well as a uncountable noun. Okay? So they can have one or even more types sometimes. Again, sometimes depending on the context on the sentence that we are using. Okay? So now this was about nouns. Let's go to pronouns now. Aryabhata's central line, I think it's third last bench, red t-shirt girl. Red t-shirt girl, Hanji bache, I'm asking you. Yes, please come forward. Who is sitting behind the boy with blue t-shirt, central line? Yes, please. Come, let's have fun. Now, please tell me what is a personal noun. Sorry, pronoun. First of all, tell me what is a pronoun. Switch on your mic, please, and then let me know what is a pronoun.
Personal noun, there are three type of person, like first person, second person, third person.
Hanji. What is a pronoun? Why do we use it? Why can't we just use nouns everywhere?
Ma'am, the noun is used in place of noun.
Yes, pronouns are used in place of nouns when we do not want to do any repetitions again and again. If we are using Neha is a good girl, Neha is going to school, Neha is eating her breakfast, it becomes very boring, right? So we use proper pronouns for that, okay? Now, personal one, just like she said, first, second, and third personal pronouns we have, okay? He, she, it, they, them, right? Me, mine, possessive. How about Euler second? I think this is second bench only. Yes, boy who has risen his hand. Blue t-shirt. Hanji, please come forward. Please tell us what is a possessive pronoun, and please give us one example also. Use it in a sentence if you can.
Used to show possession.
Yes, that shows the possession, the ownership of the thing. So, any sentence, any any example that you can give us?
Your
You can make a sentence out of these words if you would like.
This book is mine.
Okay, but you can go back. Now the reflexive pronoun from BG. Second girl in green t-shirt, side lane. Hanji bache, please come forward. What is a reflexive pronoun? And please give me one example sentence for reflexive pronoun. Hanji?
Subject and object. Very good object and subject are same.
The student that I called forward, where is she? Anyway, the answer is right. Okay, you can go back, bache. Yes, that's right. So when we are kind of, talking about myself, when I'm talking about myself, she's talking about herself. The subject itself is talking about himself or herself. Okay, that is reflexive and mostly reflexive. It's kind of, let's say reflection, self. So mostly self word is used in that. Myself, yourself, herself. You can do, she can do the work herself. Okay, you can do this work yourself very well. All right. Now, demonstrative pronoun. What is that? That demonstrates that boy, this girl, these people, those mountains. Okay. Now, let's do this as the last one. Interrogative pronoun. Central line. There is such nice response sometimes that I get confused. Whom should I call forward? I think from Arya, but I cannot see many people. How about corner? I cannot even see it's a corner girl in blue t-shirt. Side lane. Please come forward. Who is sitting near window? Corner girl. Please come forward, bache. Arya Bhatt, corner girl sitting near the window. Please come forward and let us know. Please tell us what is an interrogative pronoun. Okay, okay. Okay, you come forward. It's okay, bache. Come. Tell us what is an interrogative pronoun.
Interrogative pronoun is the word which helps in asking the questions.
Yes, that's good. That's right. Mostly it is the first word. What are you doing? What's your name? Okay. Which one? What? Who? These are all interrogative. Okay. Then let's do this last one as relative pronoun. In this, when we use who, which, we are actually combining or, referring to who we are talking about. Okay. Who we are talking about, which one we are talking about, whose pencil is this? That is an interrogative. Otherwise, when we are joining two clauses, sometimes we are relatively telling something or we are giving a reference of something or somebody. That is the relative pronoun. Now, getting back to the story, now you can see that all the words in the word pool are either nouns or pronouns. Okay. Now, one by one, without any hesitation, come forward and tell one sentence or two sentences each for each picture or whatever you want to say about this, whatever you understand from this. Okay. All right. To start with, let's start with Aryabhat. First girl, second red t-shirt boy, please come forward. Hanji, bache. Second, Hanji, please come forward. Again, I will just give you a precursor. The young boy has grown up a little bit and now he is going to Yemen. Yemen is a country in West Asia. So now he is going there. Now you can tell me what else is happening here. You can use any of these words. All right, let me just tell you a little bit more. When he's going to Yemen, what his family and the team of his villagers all are wishing him all the best because all are very proud of him and all of them know that he will be a very successful person. So they all are saying goodbye to him happily. So now what happens? He has gone to Yemen. Hanji bache. Aryabhat, Hanji, tell me.
He do work in petrol station.
Yes, okay. Please try to form little more constructive sentences. Yes, he started working in a petrol station there. Mostly in foreign countries, they call it a gas station. So he started working as an attendant in a gas station there. Hanji, what else do you see here?
He listens to the interviews of businessmen.
Mm-hmm. Anything else? All right.
He to become a businessman.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Bache. You can go back now. So what is happening here is the young boy has now gone to Yemen and he has started working as an attendant in a petrol station, a gas station there. There he meets a lot of businessmen, very successful people. What he starts doing is he starts talking to them, interacting with them, and trying to learn from them. So Yemen was a country full of opportunities. He knew that if he will go abroad, there will be a lot of opportunities for him. And then he started meeting so many successful people. He started learning lessons from them. And then he's again reflecting, right? What was the reflecting pronoun? Reflexive pronoun. So here he is thinking to himself, okay, that what if I also start with something? How about if I start a business of my own? So now he's thinking, he has very big ambitions. He dreams, he has very big dreams. So should all of us, isn't it? You all have a dream of yours that when I will grow up, I will do this, I will do that. You all have dreams? Please raise your hands if you have any dream to become a doctor, to become a painter, musician. Yeah, it is very important to have a dream, bache. Then only, that gives a direction to your life, right? Okay. So after a few years, he comes back to India. Now what happens? From the very first picture, Archimedes, whom should I call? Anybody from Archimedes. Please come forward and tell me what is happening in the first picture. And you can use the words from this word pool. Archimedes, please. Anyone? Okay, boy in red t-shirt. But if he can come forward, anybody can come forward. So I would really appreciate next time if there are more hands risen. Hanji, please come forward.
Years after going to Yemen, he came back to India. He, he came back to India and then he started a company called Reliance. Many people saw him doing the art and many people followed him doing the same and he started a workshop.
Very good. Very nice. You can go back now, bache. Now from BJ, sorry, not BJ, BG. Okay, how about the third girl? I really appreciate this first boy in blue t-shirt. Bache, I think you know all the answers. But okay, this time you come forward, but let's give others also a chance, okay? This time you come forward. Hanji, what all you want to tell us about this picture and the words?
The story of Dhirubhai Gandhi. So, ma'am, when he came to India, he started his work there in life, and some guy also didn't trust me. And afterwards, when all the people came to
Please, sorry, I'm interrupting you. Please adjust your mic a little bit more. I can hear a lot of disturbance.
it is a story of Dhirubhai Gandhi. He came back from Yemen and started his own book that named Reliance. When he opened his shop, some people they are such they didn't trust him. He succeeded in he opened his factory and after he also he his company and he became a technology.
Good, bache. There was little disturbance, but I got what you were telling. Thank you so much. So, rightfully, he said that he came back to India. The boy came back to India and then he started his own company of cotton fabrics. What is cotton? Anybody from Euler, can you please come forward? What is cotton? Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun? Whatever it is, what is the type of that? Cotton. Hanji, bache, please come forward. What type of noun is it? That's correct. It's a noun. It is a common noun as well as it is a material noun because the fabric that he's selling is made up of cotton. Okay? Good. You can go back. So, what he does is he starts his own company of cotton fabrics, started manufacturing cotton fabrics and selling that. Now, a lot of people you can see here are doubting him. Will this really work in India? Will this, will people really buy this? But he is very determined and he is very passionate about his work, about his ideas, about his dream. So he again thinks to himself that what do I really want to do? People are doubting me. But what he does is he believes in himself. Okay. And then he starts his own company full-fledgedly without even doubting for once that will it work, will it not work, because he was very determined. He was very brave. He had a lot of courage that, yes, I can do it. And what is from Aryabhat? Anybody can come forward and tell me what is India? Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun? And what type? India. Anyone from Aryabhat? This is like the easiest question ever. I think all the students know the answers. It's just that they're not coming forward. And I wonder why. You all speak well also. Okay, Archimedes, second bench, red t-shirt girl, please come forward. Hanji bache, what is India?
Noun.
What type of noun is it? That's correct. Yes, it's proper noun. What about Reliance?
It is also an proper noun.
What about industries?
It
Or
is common noun.
that's
Because they
good.
are industries.
That's right. What is determination? Word
It is
determination.
correct noun.
Absolutely. And how about who?
I think so. It is a pronoun.
Who? Okay. What type of pronoun is this?
Interrogative pronoun.
That's good. You knew all the answers, but still you were sitting there. That's great. You can go back. So now we are clear about what is noun and pronoun. Now, anybody who can just tell me who was this man? Who was this young boy in this story? Okay, I can see from Euler, first bench, Hanji Bache, who was he? Who was he, Bache? Who was this legendary man that we were talking about? Can you please say it again? Okay. Hanji from BG, Bache, you can tell me. I think there's some problem with the mic again. Yes, India's greatest wealth creator, legendary Dhirubhai Ambani. So, this is a story of courage and determination, just like the story that you have read in your literature book about the shoe shine boy. Okay, so now I have sent you one worksheet. Do you all have your worksheets? You all got your worksheets for noun and pronoun? Yes, no, please raise your hands if you have received your worksheets. All right, everybody has got it. Now, quickly, one by one, let's finish all these questions, okay? I mean, let's try. From Aryabhat, anybody, now just quickly come forward and just reply. From Aryabhat, first question of your worksheet. Ganesh worked at the railway station. Who can come forward and tell me what is the proper noun in this sentence? Aryabhat, Aryabhat, are you listening to me? Can you hear me? Okay, Archimedes, first girl, please come forward. What is the common noun in this and proper noun?
Ma'am, common noun is railway station and proper noun is Ganesh.
Very good. And how about the second question? Honesty changed Ganesh's life. What is honesty here?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
Honesty changed Ganesh's life. What is the word honesty here?
Ma'am, abstract noun.
Very good. And when we say Ganesh with apostrophe S, Ganesh, what is that?
Ma'am, proper noun.
Yes, Ganesh is a proper noun. When we use it with an apostrophe S, it becomes a possessive noun. All right, because we are telling about the possession or the ownership of that thing. Okay. Now, thank you, Bache. You can go back. Now, BG, anybody, please answer the third question. Okay, yeah. Anji.
Proper noun. And Bombay proper noun, Ganesh proper noun.
Sorry, did you say Ganesh is common noun?
Proper.
Proper, good. Bombay is proper, Ganesh is proper. What about hope?
Then Hope.
Hope hope is an abstract noun. Okay. Now, who will come forward for the fourth one? Thank you. You can go back. All right. Let's do this again. Okay. That blue t-shirt girl from BG. Side lane. Blue t-shirt, Hanji. Blue. You just raised your hand, bache. Third or fourth bench. Hanji, please come forward. Fourth question.
When the word is common noun, it is proper noun.
Yes. Ganesh is proper noun. How about the fifth one? Poverty forced Ganesh to leave home. What is poverty? It's an abstract noun. Ganesh, we now know that it's a proper noun. And what about home? Yes, it's a common noun. Very good. You can go back. Archimedes, the girl who is standing in central line, please come forward in blue t-shirt. Hanji. Sixth one. Which sentence contains a possessive noun? Sixth question.
Ma'am, C option, Ganesh's honesty impressed the owner.
Okay, which is the word here, which is possessive noun?
Ma'am, honesty.
Honesty is the possessive noun? Nahin, bache, honesty, what do we say? Honesty is an abstract noun. Okay? Ganesh, it belongs to Ganesh. Honesty here, like the ownership is Ganesh ownership. So anything with apostrophe S is always a possessive noun. Okay, thank you. You can go back. Seventh. Now please speak the sentence, question also, and then answer also. Seventh. Okay, BG, red t-shirt boy who has raised his hand, I think first bench. Seventh one, bache.
The group of orders stood near the platform. The word group is collective noun.
Okay. Can you give any more examples of collective noun?
Kind of nine, bank of week.
Yes. What do we call of bees or any insects? Butterflies, bees.
Swarm of bees.
Swarm of bees. All right. Now we have done the 7th one. Okay, 7th is done now. 8th. Anybody from Euler? Girl in green t-shirt who is standing, please come forward. Central line, Euler, girl who is standing. Hanji bache, please come forward and tell me the answer to 8th question. 8th and 9th, both you can tell. What is the 8th question? Please switch on your mic. Hanji.
You also know. Material noun.
Material noun, that's right. What else can you say about money? How are you saying material noun? Like, do you make anything out of money like that?
Because money is a material.
Yeah, it is material noun here. So we always have to, you can go back, bache, thank you. So we always have to see the context. Here, since the bag contained money, it is a material noun. Otherwise, we can also say it is an uncountable noun. Okay? Okay, who will come forward for 9th? Now just come forward. There are just 2 minutes and let's try to finish 2 more questions. 9th question. Anybody? फटाफट से आगे आ जाओ. BG section is making me so happy today, and Archimedes. Actually, all the sections, but these 2 sections, I think, really, Okay. From BG, Hanji, I think somebody came forward to reply. What is Bombay in this? Bombay and Ganesha, proper noun, and courage is abstract noun. Good. Now, Archimedes, boy in red t-shirt, please come forward. Who was already out of his lane to answer. Okay, second girl who just raised her hand, please come forward. Tell us about the 10th question.
There are 3 nouns: honor, Ganesh, and honesty.
Okay, and can you please tell us about the type of these nouns?
Yes, Ganesh is proper noun, honesty is abstract noun, and honor is common noun.
That's good. That's good. Thank you so much, bache. I think now you all, you want to say something from BG? Anji? Sorry, I cannot hear you. Are you asking is honesty an abstract noun?
Abstract noun.
Your voice is breaking. Praise.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji.
It's departure time, ma'am. Time is over.
Hanji. I was just going to wrap up. Thank you so much to all the teachers and all the lovely students. Your response was so good today, and especially 2-3 specific sections, I would say they kind of, shine today. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I'll see you again next week. You have a wonderful day. Thanks to everyone. Bye-bye.